Hey everybody, something you might not know is that you can record your pyATS jobs. So I have a job here ready to go, and let's just quickly add -- record, and we'll just call it recording 1. All right, now I might flash forward because this is going to take a second and I don't have much time. So what I've done is recorded Learn OSPF. Now that I have the recording, let's play it back. So I'm just going to say replay recording 1. And it's going to simulate or replay my job and all of the logs. Wonderful for training, wonderful for capturing and playing back your pyATS activities. Just incredible. So we can record and we can replay, and we can even add a speed option here. Let's say speed 0.25 and replay it back at quarter speed so we can really take a look at what's happening. pyATS, playbacks, and recordings. Learn more at Cisco Live this summer. This will be part of a session that I'm hosting with Palmer Sample and Yulia Santana. We'll see you then.